Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade eclairs. First, let's master the choux pastry, the foundation of any great eclair. Begin by boiling water and butter, then quickly stir in flour and salt to form a dough. Cook this mixture until it pulls away from the pan. Next, remove it from the heat and gradually beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the dough is smooth and shiny. This careful process ensures your pastry will puff perfectly. Now that your choux pastry is ready, it's time to pipe the eclair shells. Use a piping bag with a round or star tip to create uniform, 4-inch long strips on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake them at an initial high temperature, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes to help them puff up. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 30 minutes until they are golden brown and firm. Remember, do not open the oven door for the first 30 minutes to prevent collapse. With your eclair shells cooled, it's time for the delicious filling. A classic choice is a smooth vanilla pastry cream. You can prepare this in advance, ensuring it's thoroughly chilled before use. To fill, poke 2 or 3 small holes in the bottom of each eclair shell using a small pastry tip. Then, pipe the creamy filling into each hole until the eclair feels heavy and slightly full. Wipe away any excess cream for a clean finish. Finally, let's add the finishing touch, a decadent chocolate glaze. Melt dark chocolate with a bit of heavy cream and butter until it's smooth and glossy. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. Let the glaze set for about 30 minutes before serving. These homemade eclairs are best enjoyed fresh. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing robot and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.